Hi guys, welcome back to Sunrise Kitchen. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to do this fluffy and delicious banana pancakes and how easy and quick to make. And also, it's very good idea for a freeze a meal, so just make sure to watch it until the end so you don't miss out on any parts. So now, let's go right into the video. So the first ingredient, as you can see here, I'm using 2 ripe bananas, and then I will peel them and then smash it with a fork. And then I'm gonna add 3 eggs, and then I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, some vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and then I'm gonna add a quarter cup of almond milk, but you can use any type of milk you prefer. And then I will add 2 tablespoons of homemade date syrup that I made with you before, guys. And if you haven't watched it and you like to see it, I will link it down below in the description box. Go and see it if you want. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of rolled oats, but as you can see here, I'm adding 1.5 cup first, and then I'm gonna mix it because each type of oats absorbs different amount of liquids, so just make sure to do that also. And then I'm gonna add the other half. And then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon vinegar, and a half a tablespoon of butter. And before I blend it, I'm gonna give it a good mix. And then I'm gonna blend it with a hand blender, but you can use food processor or blender, just use whatever you have. And then I'm gonna move it into a jug so it's easier to pour. And now I'm gonna show you 2 options how to bake it. So the first one, I'm using the pancake maker, and before I pour it, I'm gonna just brush it with a little bit of butter or any kind of oil you prefer. And the second option is to use non-stick pan, and before I pour it, I just like to brush it with a little bit of butter, or you can just brush it with any oil you prefer. And if this is the first time you are making pancake and you don't know when it's time to flip it, when you see bubbles on the surface of the pancake, you will know it's ready for you to flip it. And leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then take it out. And now after I finish the whole amount, I'm gonna leave it to cool down before I put it in the zip bag because I'm gonna put it in the fridge. And it's very handy to have something like that in the fridge, and when you don't have time to make breakfast, this is very good idea. Just take it out and warm it up and the breakfast is ready. And also it's very good idea for lunch boxes if you have kids, and even for you. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Give it a go and let me know in the comments below about your opinion. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with others if you like, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe too, hit the notification bell to receive all future videos, and see you in the next one. Bye!